x plus xy plus y is equal to 98. We have to find all the positive roots for x and y because x and y are positive integers. So how to factorize it? Here we can take x is common and write x 1 plus y plus y is equal to 98. Now for this 1 plus y to be a factor, we have to take this x and this y in a factor also, but here we need plus 1 so that 1 plus y can be taken as common. So can we write plus 1 here and do the same thing on the right hand side also? So plus 1. Now this is x 1 plus y, and this we can write plus 1 times 1 plus y is equal to 99, or now we can take 1 plus y as common and 1 plus x or x plus 1 as common is equal to 99. Now 99 has two factors, 1 plus y and 1 plus x. 99 we can factorize it as 11 times 9 or 9 times 11 or 33 times 3 or 3 times 33 or 99 times 1. Then there are negative factors such as minus 3 times minus 33, but we have to take only positive integers. Now 1 plus y, if we take as 99, then 1 plus x is 1 when 99 times 1 is taken, but 1 plus x cannot be equal to 1, so this is not possible. So there are two sets of possible combinations for x and y. So when 1 plus y times 1 plus x is equal to 11 times 9, then either 1 plus y is equal to 11 or and 1 plus x is equal to 9. In that case y is equal to 10, 11 minus 1 is 10, and x is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. When 1 plus y times 1 plus x, we take 9 times 11. In that case, if we take 1 plus y is equal to 9 and 1 plus x is equal to 11, then y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 10. When we take 1 plus y times 1 plus x is equal to 33 times 3, and 1 plus y is equal to 33 and 1 plus x is equal to 3. In that case y is equal to 32 and x is equal to 2. Similarly, when 1 plus y is equal to 3 and 1 plus x is equal to 33, in that case y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 32. So possible solutions for x and y are 10, 8, 8, 10, 32, 2 or 2, 32. We can check the solutions. When x we take 2 and y is 32, then we have 2 plus 32 times 2 plus 32. Check whether it is equal to 98. 2 plus 64 plus 32 is equal to 98. So this solution is verified. Vice versa, when you take x is equal to 32 and y is equal to 2, in that case we have 32 plus 32 times 2 plus 2 again equal to 98. When x is equal to 10 and y is 8, then it is 10 plus 10 times 8 plus 8. This is 10 plus 80 plus 8 is equal to 98. And when x is 8 and y is 10, then this is 8 plus 80 plus 10 is equal to 98. So all the solutions are valid. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.